Sophia Daley, a mother of four, struggles to make ends meet. Currently, she is unable to put food on the table to keep providing for her four children as she struggles during the pandemic. Sophia is seeking your help.
Good morning. My name is Sophia Daley. I have four children and it a bit challenges. I am a single mother.
She is seeking help to provide food for her children and for her to be able to finish her house to move out of a one-bedroom living condition. Sophia and her four children sleep in the same room.
We don't have any privacy. We don't have an inside kitchen. We don't have an inside bathroom.
So what are some of the challenges that you're having that require the help?
The sleeping condition. That is a big challenge for me because you see I'm not slim.
Yeah, but they're going to ask about work. Why not work?
Okay.
Why?
Because of the COVID now, I used to sell a phone card and bleach, rings and so on and do days work. I get my hand no break, so it is a bit challenging now for me. Plus I have a back injury. So it kind of challenges now to go there and do a job. So I am not lazy still.
And then you will still work.
Yes, I will still work if I get a job to do. But because of the COVID now, you know, everyone at home sit down.
And it is still not enough.
And it's still not enough, but it will be help out situation. Yeah, so I need something to do meanwhile I'm here sitting down.
And then guys, you have to know that this is a rural community, so it is so difficult. And the nearest town is where is the nearest town to you? Santa Cruz. So sometimes it's difficult to come up with the fare and to come up with all of that to travel, and depending on the job that you get, sometimes you're just working fare, so it makes it difficult for you to continue and to fulfill the needs of the children and so on. So you said that how many children you have?
I have four children.
So four children, and all of you're staying in the one room.
Yes.
So you're seeking some help now to try and come out of that one room.
Yes.
and make a little bit of progress.
Yes.
So anything else you want to add?
Yes, because now like you have the online classes, it a bit challenges because sometimes to buy the phone card or the tablet. Alright, I have one phone, so when they work come on it because of the too much work they send on it now with hot. So sometimes the phone
so the four children, they are getting the work on the one phone.
Yes.
So you would also need some tablets for them.
I did buy a tablet, but it I have it in my hand, never remember now. Said I put it in my lap to sit here. So I stand up now and it dropped and got mashed up.
Okay, so you would need some what are the ages of the children?
I have 17, 14, 11, 9.
So two of them is in high school?
Yes, two.
And then two in primary school.
Yes.
So they go to school often?
Not. They used
when school was in session, what was the attendance like?
Sometimes, alright. For instance, I used to send like 2 or 3 for this week, and send the other 2 for the other
week. Which high school?
I have one at Newell, one at Junction.
Well, Newell is far away.
Yes.
And then the two primary one, the school is nearby?
Yes, nearby, so they walk.
Oh, okay, so they will just walk to school.
Yes. So because of their father now leave them for a tender age, sometimes I feel like running away to make a better life out there and then come back. But sometimes running away don't solve the problem, because sometimes you don't know who behind you is ill-treating your son or your daughter. So I prefer stay in the condition and struggle with my 4 children. Okay, the struggling is so unbearable. Sometimes it get me stressed out, fed up sometimes, that I just like want to go home to rest also, because it unbearable sometimes. Sometimes we have challenges with all food. For instance, all right, you know, say you're not working, you're not looking at any income a week time or every 2 week or a month time. So you're here sitting down now, wondering where to get the food from to put on the table. I am not lazy. I am willing to do something for help myself and to help my children. Also, I have a piece of land where I could farm, but because of the money now to plow the land to start the farming, I don't have any to farm it. And see now, we did have the dry weather, now the rain falling. I would have like something to go in the dirt that I can help myself, even with my children and also with my house. So this is where I live.
So this is the veranda?
Yes, this is the veranda.
This is the veranda, guys.
My sister inside now. This is where I sleep.
Okay, so this is where you sleep with the children.
Yes, I don't have a TV. That TV is not working.
Okay, so what she's saying, guys, is she doesn't have a TV. However, this TV does not work. So if there is anyone also want to contribute a TV to assist, you can. And then this is the condition that they're in, all 5 persons, 4 children, and mommy herself is a part of this.
So
all right,
the whole stuff.
let we look at her hose top. So this is the hose top. Her hose top is leaking, and remember, guys, she's doing her best for her children. She wants the best for them. So what they have to do, they have to use the tarpaulin. Is tarpaulin name? The tarpaulin. They have to use the tarpaulin to put up so that when it rains, you know,
you can see
water is there.
Yes, water is there.
So what she look at that area, she's saying that water is there. So how you get the water out?
Yesterday no the rainfall, so if the rainfall now this evening, we try to
so you get
and show the water.
So you get a pan and then you throw the water out.
Yes.
All right, where else should we go now?
Yes, and also my mother's whole stuff. Here, see it one fix. Also over here leaking too. Here leaking the bed. You can see where is the water. If you can see it.
So guys, as she said, she's willing to work, willing to do some work, but sometimes the condition makes it very difficult for her to continue. So this is the kitchen.
This is where block off part of the veranda to cooking.
Oh, so the kitchen is right near. So the fridge work?
No.
So she doesn't have a working fridge, and this is her kitchen area that she uses for the children. Oh, the stove work?
Yes, the stove.
Okay, so the stove is right here, but what she says, the stove works. All right, so this is her kitchen area that she lives in. Guys, if please, I'm asking, if you want to support her, please support. Okay, so kitchen is right here, and the kitchen is next door to the veranda. So where are we going next?
Do you want to walk here?
Oh, you started building something.
This is the kitchen.
Oh.
Yes. And then now you come around. This is one room.
So how you get the help to build here?
Poor relief come on board, and sometimes because of the condition I bear the hungry and put in the money to help
To start. So you start here, but you have a challenge with finishing as well.
Yes.
So it makes it difficult for you to continue.
Yes, and then sometimes now when I feel sick,
Mm-hmm.
all right, see, no bathroom is not there. When the pain take me in my back, I cannot get up to go to the bathroom because the bathroom is a very bit from me. So that's why I introduced to put a bathroom on my house.
On this one that is building here.
Yes, so that's why if anything and I should seek or my children, you know, we have a proper bathroom.
So you stall right here then. Yes. You can't move.
No, we cannot.
This is where the stops, and this is a what? A one bedroom?
That's a one room, but the run of the other part now we are going to carry you because of the foundation of the house, and we have to put a tank instead of dump it up.
Yes.
I try to put a tank because it's a bit challenges to carry water from off the main road now to come in my community.
Yes.
So, I prefer put a tank under there that probably when we have the bathroom now we would have no challenges with water to put to flush the bathroom.
Yes, we live around here.
That is my brother home. Yes. And this is the thing. So
the tank?
Yeah, this is the tank. So I want it now to cover off that I can get the other room up and the bathroom.
Okay.
So this is where it.
Yes. Hello. Okay. So which bathroom do you use? Where's the bathroom?
That is the bathroom round at the background there.
You want to carry me around there?
Here we have 3 out of the 4 children that we want to help. The older brother was not at home when we visited. If you want to contribute, make contact with Sophia at 876-813-2246 or send me an email. Thank you for watching Chat Jamaican. Little more.